how to turn on or turn off Save Selfies as previewed on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's go back to the home screen. Then open up the camera app. From here, tap on the More button. Then tap on the Settings icon. Now in Camera Settings, we scroll down and tap on Save Selfies as previewed. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Here says Save Selfies and selfie videos as they appear in the preview without flipping them. So here, if you tap on the back key, here we take a selfie photo. It will look as how you see it in the picture. Otherwise, we can have it save in a reverse mirror image. So if we scroll down and then we turn it off, you can see here if I take a photo, it will save in the opposite direction. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.